Good morning. So let's talk about the image formation in telescope and image formation in microscope. The image we are referring to is called as intermediate image. So if you look into microscope, the objective you know creates an image which is much bigger than the object size. But if you look into telescope, the objective of telescope creates an image which is much smaller than the actual image size. So remember, this image which is formed by the objective, be it microscope or be it telescope, is called as an intermediate stage. There is another image which will get created using the eyepiece, but for now, understand there is a difference in the intermediate image created by telescope and microscope. Thank you very much.